In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Avatar World mod menu, latest version, and yes, it's fully working on both iOS and Android. If you've been searching for a way to unlock everything in Avatar World, you're in the right place. As you can see on the screen, this Avatar World mod menu gives you access to all hacks and features, including everything fully unlocked on both iOS and Android devices. No restrictions. Inside the mod menu, you'll find multiple powerful options such as Unlock All Places, Unlock All Characters, All Packs Unlocked, and much more. This allows you to enjoy the full Avatar World experience without limitations. Before we get started, make sure your Avatar World game is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Avatar World, and check if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're good to go. Next, scroll down and head over to the pinned comment below this video. In that pinned comment, I explain step-by-step where and how to download Avatar World Double++. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!